1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, open, down, open. Step to the side, clap. Right, left, step to the side, clap. Left, right, round, 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 round. And round, round, round. 6. And bump, bump, bump. 3. And down. And arms, 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 arms. Get into the circle. Go to the right, right, to the right, to the right, to the right. And up and down and up, down and around. Turn around while you're doing it. Turn around. Get into position. Get back into position. Get back into position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Open, down, open. Step to the side. Clap. Right, left. Step to the side, clap. Left, right. Round, 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 round. 6, 7, and then the solos. Yeah, and then you're gonna all do your solos for a little bit longer in the middle, and then you're gonna. DH is going to do the trumpet blowing. You all get together and then you hold hands and like lean back and then bow. Okay.